Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, and I'm about to use up some paints I have left over. What happened, I did a pour, promptly dropped it, wrecked it, tilted it off onto this canvas, and that's the background here. I just checking to make sure I haven't got any debris. It is a bit from the floor where I dropped the original, and I've poured the tilted paint onto here. I didn't want to waste it, and as you can see, it's got its own little patterns. There's silicone and all sorts in here, but that's okay. I thought what I might do, since I've already got the backing on, it's best to use it. The extra paints I've got left over here from the original pour, I will put into this cup, I think, and just do some sort of travelling pour or ring pour thing, travelling ring pour perhaps, something like that, just to use up the paints. A little bit of burnt sienna in there, not much, a bit of blue, and I'm going to put some white. I might need to get some more white, not a lot here, some mauve. Got pretty colours. A bit of black I have here. Don't want a lot of black because I've got a black background. But who don't I have? I don't have any of this nice bright red. I'll put the recipes for the paints in the pouring medium down under this painting, under the video, I mean. You'll find it under Show More. I hope this comes up all right. Yeah, a bit more red, why not? And then some white. Might have to just put that there from it, don't slide away on me. Scratch this white out. Use up what I have. Because it's got a bit of black mixed in there too, so it's kind of marbly, which is marvellous. Okay, and just to top it off, a bit of blue. Now we'll see how this goes. Hasn't put mauve. Okay, and maybe squirt of white right down the high diddle, and we'll see how we go. Just pouring it out with a slight little twist and turn. I've got most of it. Well, the rings are quite pretty, but already the silicone's coming up and breaking them, which is okay. I knew there was silicone in there, and I think that's lovely. So I just give him a little turn around. That corner already, since he's that close to it. There you go. Actually, back to the centre. I could do with a bit of brightness. It's sort of a bit lacking, so I might just get some red and blue. Squidging of black, down that twirl. See how we go here. Oh, where'd the red go? Goodness. the red wants to be like that. Give him a dog in the centre. Whoa, that looks good. All right. See what happens there. Let's do these edges as we go. Good on you. This is coming up nicely now. I'll put that little bit of extra on. And then over. See what the edges are like. Okay, from this end. Perfect from this one. That is pretty good. So, just wiping off the hands, I'll put a little bit of black in my black cup. And might just take this corner off and have it black. Rather like it when it breaks up. Oh, look at that black through there, that looks good. Maybe here. Yeah, we can have some black here. Here too, I think. I might put a bit of red back on there. That looks a bit too much black. That's got it. What have you got there, Mr. Sparkus? Give me that. You wicked dog. Good. Goodness. Piece of plastic. No, you're not having it. Okay, now. Black. You know, I might just get the chain to go on that. There's the chain. There it is. Just bring the chain. Not good. Yes. Just bring it down. I'll put a little bit more black there, I think, and bring the black through. Okay. I know you're there, dog. Like making up of the mind. Get down. Come on, you're rattling the table. Bringing that, actually I might be able to do that with a bit of red and the chain easier. I think that's pretty good. Twisting and shaping. Alright, now this. Gone really quiet, haven't I? I'm thinking, you see. It's always a painful experience. Alright, I'm going to do something with that. I don't, excuse me, I don't much care for it up here, but I'll see what I can do with this red. It's starting to look a bit nicer now. And I think I'll leave that like that. And, whoa, it's looking good. I love the way that's gone. And maybe some purple here. Just because purple's nice. Okay. Yep. Wow. How good is that? Don't be messing with it too much now. I like it. Maybe just do a little, just curl up here. That's it. Put this into the bucket and wash my hands, and then I'll bring it, torch it, and then bring it down to have a look at it, because it's rather pretty. And drying off the hands. Where's the torch? little cells. They're really quite pretty. Looks like coral. Looks like underwater coral. I think that's what I'll call it. Sea coral. And this is what I've been looking at. As you can see, it's quite vibrant. Kind of expect a little clownfish to come popping out from underneath there somewhere. So we'll start at this left corner. Noisy traffic. Don't know why they have to drive like that. Yes, it's really pretty. Lot of little cells. One day his motor's going to blow up and I'll laugh. That was mean, but I don't care. Yes, definitely a coral. Down below underneath Show More you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. And a link there to Priscilla Betzel's Amazon, where you'll find her amazing book, and volume 2 is coming out before Christmas, which should be interesting. So thank you very much for watching. Please give this the thumbs up, I do appreciate that, and I'll catch you in the next video or over Australia Art Dreaming. So bye for now, have a great day, bye.